Hello everyone, welcome back to St. Art Garage. Yes, it's been a long time since I made a video, but today I'm going to be installing this guy over here. Got it as a gift, and we got a short hub that we're going to be installing. I didn't do any quick change stuff, and I haven't really seen very many videos on how to do an MR2, even though it's very self-explanatory. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what to do, how to uninstall the original wheel, and how to install this one on there. So let's get started. We gotta first unplug the battery because we don't want to blow up the airbag. If you do that, you're gonna get a pretty bad headache. And so let's do the negative terminal. Let's see if it fits. All right, so we have taken these screws. These are Torx screws, as you can see right there. I used, let me see where it is. I used this over here, and it fits perfectly. They're not very torqued on, so you know, just use one of these things and it should work. So here's the airbag. So just a disclaimer, you have to have battery disconnected or else this could blow up on you. Try to use your hands because if you somehow create a short circuit in here, it could blow up. And I mean, of course the battery is disconnected, so there's no power, but here you go. So what I did there, you just push back on this and it unlocks it. Be very careful with this. You don't want to complete the circuit or else it'll detonate and it will really suck. So I'm gonna put this away. Oh, and the Torx screws are on each side. This one is still in there because there's some tabs holding it. So what I did, I just pushed the plastic down like this and it let the airbag come out. So this is the part where it kind of sucks to deal with, which is this nut right here. I'm gonna work on that. Once I get done, I will give you an update. All right, anybody who's done this before, you know about the whole smack the shit out of this steering wheel. So this is the nut. Let's see, I believe it's aligned. You want to keep this aligned. So you put the nut back on there. So we gotta freaking smack the shit out of this thing. So it's gonna be violent. You ready for it? Fuck. There it is. Yeah. Take the nut out. Actually, we'll make sure that this is, I'm gonna get the keys, I'm gonna unlock the steering column, and I'm gonna align it so when we put the hub on there, it'll be aligned with the wheels, because you don't want a crooked wheel. Unlock it like that, and then we'll align it so it's perfectly aligned. And the steering wheel, yep, everything looks aligned. We're gonna turn this off. I'm gonna take the nut off. Hell yeah, brother. I don't know what I'm doing. If I have to buy a different hub in order to have this functionality, I will. But for now, it's all about race car. So, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. All right, yeah. Okay, so we'll get back. So there's two Phillips screws here. I'm guessing this bottom cover comes off, this top cover comes off, and then we'll be able to remove this sensor, put back the cover, and then we'll put this. We gotta put these screws back on. We took off this sensor. Yay. Now we gotta put these back on. Bada bing, bada boom. How it is there. Now we're gonna put this thing here.
What's that?
This is the nut. I'm sure there's a torque spec. And I know somebody in the comments is gonna say something about that, but fuck torque specs for this. We're just gonna give it a good snug. Now we gotta start doing the actually steering assembly, which is over there. So let me go get it. So I can't get the damn horn to go on here. So we're gonna have to figure that out. See how that's supposed to work. But there's not enough space on there. So right now I'm just installing it like this. and I'll give you an update if it does work or not. But it was pretty easy. Just this bolt here. Obviously the Allen screws. And you can install this afterwards. You don't have to do it while you're doing this. So we're gonna keep working on this. See if we can figure it out. Well, we'll give you an update and see how it looks. Honestly, it looks really freaking sick. Don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I like it.
It looks better than, and it's so much slimmer. Like, dude, this feels so nice. So we're gonna figure this out, but for now, it's pretty simple. Just you already know what to do, like the screws for the sensor and the torque screws for the actual airbag. So that'll be it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you disagree with this assembly, please leave a comment and let me know what I'm doing wrong. Pretty much it's very self-explanatory. I'll be doing an update on the 2ZZ Turbo, like what I've done to the engine and all the modifications. And I'm gonna try to do it very detailed because there's not very many videos online, especially with the MRS with the 2ZZ and Turbo, that specifically shows all the little details of how to make the system work. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that next video. So we'll see you next time. Peace.